Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Varun DM. Today I am going to explain you about addressing mode and its types with examples. Firstly, we will define what is an addressing mode. Firstly, introduction. An addressing mode is a technique used in computer architecture and assembly language programming. It defines how an instruction refers to the data it operates on. Different addressing modes provide flexibility and efficiency in accessing data. Now, here is an instruction code which is a OP code and an address. So, there is an address given here which then passes to a operand where it is situated in the memory location. So simply there will be an address where the instructions is given by the programmer or an computer which will save in the operand in the given memory. Now immediate addressing mode. An immediate addressing mode, the operand is a constant value embedded in the instruction itself. So example MOVR1 hashtag 5 loads the value 5 into register 1 R1. This mode is useful for quick calculations and initializing variables. Here is a representation of it. We can see here that a program memory of a 6A and 74 which is connected to a 6AEOH and program counter immediate addressing mode. Now the another mode is register addressing mode. In register addressing mode, the operand is stored in a register. Example, add R1, R2 adds the contents of register R2 to register R1. This mode is efficient for accessing data stored within registers. Now another one is direct addressing mode. In direct addressing mode, the operand is the memory address where the data is stored. Example, load R1 1000 loads the value stored at memory address 1000 into register R1. This mode is commonly used for accessing global variables or arrays. An instruction is given to a OP code which is an address A, it will then go to operand which is situated in the memory and it stores the value or a given program. Indirect addressing mode. In indirect addressing mode, the operand is the memory address where the memory address of the data is stored. Example, load R1, R2 loads the value stored at the memory address stored in R register R2 into register R1. This mode allows for more flexibility in accessing data stored in memory. Indexed addressing mode. In indexed addressing mode, the operand is a sum of a base address and an offset. Example, load R1 bracket R2 plus 4 loads the value stored at the memory address R2 plus 4 into register 1 R1. This mode is useful for accessing elements of arrays or data structures. Here is indexed, the operand plus contents of the index registers are used to form the address of the location to be used. So here will be the location of the address. In this example, 6 would be loaded into this accumulator. Relative addressing mode. In relative addressing mode, the operand is constant value added to the program counter PC to complete the memory address. Example, JMP label adds a constant value to the PC to jump to a specific location in the program. This mode is used for branching and looping instructions. Here is a loop instruction, add PCR relative memory is given here. Here 191 is stored in the memory where add percollective and accumulator both combines and are connected to the memory where is a 2075. Stack addressing mode. In stack addressing mode, the operand is located at the top of the stack. Example, push R1 pushes the value in register R1 into the stack. It is a push R1. When we press R1 push, then the R1 will go into the stack mode. This mode is commonly used for function calls for saving, restoring registers. When we register something or where we should save that one, so we use stack addressing mode. Indirect register adjusting mode, we already studied about this. Summary: addressing modes define how instructions refer to data. Different addressing modes provide flexibility and efficiency for various programming tasks. Examples of addressing modes include immediate, register, direct, indirect, indexed, relative, stack, and indirect register addressing modes. The way the operands are chosen during program execution is dependent on the addressing mode of the instructions. The addressing mode specifies a rule for interpreting or modifying the address field of the instruction before the operand is actually referenced. Computers use addressing mode techniques for the purpose of accommodating one or both of the following provisions. Thank you.